How to make an application for Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to make an application for Discord. So if you wanna go ahead and make an application for Discord, then you have to follow the steps. First thing first, open up a browser and on the web address bar, type in the link that is www.discord.com/developers of application. This is going to take you to the optional piece. So here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on new application in the top right hand side corner of your screen. Now enter the name of a name for your app. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in that and click on the terms and condition and click on create. As you do that, now you have to go ahead and fill in the app details. You could go and read out all of these. Now copy the client ID and an authentication settings page as well. Once done, create a team for your organizing at the developersteams.com, and this way you'll have picked up a newly created team in your team drop down. So that's how you can make an application. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.